Hello, my new friends. Kris here once again. It's been a couple days, so we just wanted to check in to see how your new Bible habit is going. Through the Word is all about habit. We're convinced that good habits are life-changing because most of your life is habits. But we all know what it's like to try to start a habit and fail in the first couple weeks. So while we're still in week 1, here are some key tips to help you stick to it. Tip number 1, make a realistic time commitment. Committing to several hours a day isn't going to work. Through the Word audio guides cover one chapter in just 10 minutes. Listen to the Bible after, and it's about 15. You can do this. If you have time for more, that's great, but start your commitment with one a day and keep that habit. Tip number 2, fit the new habit into your routine. Pick the time, making breakfast, lunch break, bedtime. Attaching a new habit to something you already do is extra effective. And since Through the Word is audio, you can multitask with exercise, drive time, whatever works for you. Make it fit your routine and you'll make it stick. And tip number 3, share the habit. One of the most powerful forces to keep a new habit in place is a friend to keep it with you. Through the Word together lets you invite friends to any plan you start. So find a friend or a group and start a Bible habit together. You can share your thoughts on each chapter by voice message right on the app. And that's it. We included a couple more tips here in the email, and we'll check in one more time to let you know how to troubleshoot any issues you have. Thanks again, and I'll see you back on the journey.